This video will demonstrate how to personalize and manage O'Reilly Learning Platform resources. Once you have access to O'Reilly using your Cincinnati State email, you can view your profile page using the drop-down tab in the top right. View recommendations based on your history itself, and edit your personal information from your profile page. O'Reilly offers several customizable features. To access the playlist feature, return to the drop-down tab and select Playlists. From this page, you will be able to view playlists you have created, browse playlists others have created, or create new playlists. To create a playlist from scratch, click the New button. Add a title and a description. Click Create Playlist, select your new playlist, and search or click the Browse Titles link to add content. Add a title to an existing playlist or a brand new playlist by clicking the icon on the far right of a resource title. O'Reilly also allows you to personalize your account by following specific topics of interest. Your followed topics are listed in the Your Topics section of your profile page. To browse topics, select the Browse Topics link in your Topics section. Search topics by keyword, browse popular topics, and sort topic results on the topic homepage. Follow a topic by clicking the red Follow button to the right of the topic name. Unfollow in the same fashion. The highlight feature allows you to emphasize and store specific parts of an eBook's text. To add a highlight, simply highlight the desired text and select Add Highlight. Click Add Note to add additional information to your highlight. Navigate to your profile page, playlists, history, or highlights at any time using the menu on the left. Have any more questions about O'Reilly resources? Contact us at the library. We're always happy to help.